In the last two modules, we talked about solubility, using the rule like dissolves like for polar and nonpolar solutes, and using the terms hydrophobic and hydrophilic for organic compounds. Now we turn our attention to ionic compounds. We know that ionic compounds prefer water to nonpolar solvents, but some ionic compounds readily dissolve in water, while others do not. How can we tell? We'll start our discussion on the solubility of ionic compounds by defining electrolytes and looking at their strengths. We can quantify solutions of ionic compounds not only by the molarity of the compound, but also by the molarities of the individual ions. We'll introduce some solubility rules to help us predict whether an ionic compound is soluble or not. Finally, we'll define the precipitation process and use those same solubility rules to help us predict when precipitation reactions will occur. One of our main points is that the dissolving process and the precipitation process are actually part of the same equilibrium. In the dissolving of an ionic compound, the solid goes into solution. In the precipitation process, ions that begin in solution end up in the solid state.